And begin your amount of sentences and words. Priest wave. What is up? Enlarging your sentences. Enlarging the number of your sentences. Unicorn kissing. Unicorn kissing. Make your sentences bigger and bigger and your words bigger and bigger. It might be a bit louder than usual because I think my settings changed. I could speak in bold, I could speak in caps lock. If I wanna. That's the alarm. Someone asked for an alarm the other day when we were playing banjo for 5 hours. That's the alarm. I set it up now. 24 subs and 500 bits. That was Benry. I said, Benry, what's up? Shackled Witch. 5 gifted subs. Thank you.
5 no's. 2.
You get the dancing baby. If a gifted subs is a high enough number, there's a dancing baby. And I actually have that Unity project. One day, initial donations and subs. I appreciate ya. Oh, it's nice and sunsetty. There's Eunice. We still gotta do our rounds in the stores. Oh, hello, Roald, you're hiding. What is Pudge doing in the back? You okay? These are some crazy sandals. Oh, I don't have enough bells. Fine. Let's take a picture. No, I'll do that with Apple. That's the bug zone. We got a tire? Well, we know what to do with that. I'm gonna give Marina... Where's the duck? There it is. Maybe a baby panda.
Hello Soppy, can I ask for a good luck message for my friend Vods, please? He's finishing up classes for this semester.
I didn't get the name, but good luck. Allfoots? Oh, I can't. Well, I just gave a red tulip, so. Oh no. Blurp. Goodbye. Everyone's wishing him luck. They're gonna be good. They're gonna be good A+ classes. So I'm gonna go do that in this outfit. A little bedtime reading. You need the glasses for reading. Oh, the sun's gonna set. Move. We're ready to dream. Wait. I still have something I have to do. Oh my god, why are y'all hanging out in the trees? Apple. Yeah. Log. And joke's on me, I think you could use those tires for stuff, and I'm not doing that. I'm using them for a prank. Silly little Toontown joke. Hey, I got all of these. I'm a life hacker. No head, no thought. So no thoughts? I like the layout. Ooh. I would like to announce that the campgrounds are now open, and I will do a solo for the opening of the campgrounds. We have one listener. No. Come back. Area. Oh, you can't sit in it though. This is a distinguished room. I like the little heater beside the door. It's a nice place. Oops, there's upstairs. I didn't even notice. Ooh, I see a spider. I'm gonna show him the door. Wow, jumped right onto my hand. I'm gonna carry him out. That was easy. Legit just jumped right into my hand, was like, whoop, hop. Oh, hello. Okay. Goodbye. Thank you for the info. I'm just gonna continue on. Alright, I'm getting pretty hungry.